mecwacare has a 67-year-old legacy. We deliver the most beautiful care across residential aged care, retirement villages, and in our home care clients. mecwacare's approach to digital transformation was that intersection between technology, people, and process. So when we design our systems and our processes and we train our people, it is with everything that our clients need front of mind.
The biggest inefficiencies and risks prior to the transformation were really about disparate systems and the business not being able to talk to one another and operating in silos. Paper-based systems, a lot of admin-heavy work for people on the front line.
So when we looked for a partner, it was really important that we found someone who could journey with us. And that brought us to partnering with Cognizant. They quickly became our people. They quickly became a strong part of our team. The things that were important to us very quickly became important to Cognizant.
From the outset, we have been very clear. This is not a technology-led program. This is a person-centered program, which means understanding intimately the lived experience of the frontline of the staff and the clients. Only then we can really understand the improvements we need to make with the technology that we can provide. For a provider like mecwacare, we're focused on removing the administrative burden for their frontline so they can do what matters most, which is give time for care.
What changed immediately once the Hub platform was introduced was really the ways of working. It enabled people to have all of the information at their fingertips in a much simpler format. The right information was accessible far more easily, and teams could communicate more effectively.
The team have adapted to the system changes really well. Having an automated system enables us to have more time spent with the residents, less time accessing information and doing administration tasks. That's really appealing to our staff and myself.
The first phase of the transformation journey has been fantastic, but that's really setting the foundations for growth into the future to enable us to scale and to add things on as we need and as our business evolves.
By having this unified platform, this also enables us to get the insights and to build AI into the foundation that we've created together. And while we're on this journey together, we're so proud of the results we've already seen today. We've had such great feedback in terms of our work with retirement living, and we're so excited about the upcoming releases in the other areas of the business.
Cognizant have become part of the mecwacare family. They're a really important part of designing our future.